Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram loading problem and Instagram login not working issue step by step. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My internet already connected. Okay, back to home screen, and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen and go to phone settings and scroll down, then tap on apps option and tap on search bar, search for Instagram, then tap on Instagram app and tap on force steps. Okay, scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back, and now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar allow, second call logs allow, and third camera allow. Okay, back, and another contacts location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos allow all permission, complete. Okay, back to home screen and go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for Instagram. Now check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated to the latest version. Okay, back to home screen and open your Instagram app. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.